I'm looking for Dave.
Devil?
Dave!
Yeah. Hey! 6 inches block. Where you say they go?
I said I'm looking for your boss, Dave.
Udu.
Oh my God,
Stay here! They look for Dave. All bosses of Dave. All
can
Devil
you go and call your boss for me?
I check up on the I don't know.
Where is Dave?
It is being with you.
Where is who?
I'm looking for Dave.
So that I'm looking for them and be your own greeting.
No, not Devil. Actually,
they not train you well.
Can you go and call your boss?
Will you shut up your mouth? You don't get family training.
I don't know.
No, na family. They not born on a train on. Say if you see person wasting, you go first of all greet them before anything.
I should greet you.
Do
you know who I am?
Who are you?
Do you know who you're talking to?
Well, if I mag account like this now,
You're talking to your next boss. Hope you know that.
I am. Buying him.
Next boss. You go be next boss, and the boss where you go be na this keke boss nda. You can never be a boss where I go there under. Even if say only you be the woman where get money in the whole world, and I can come am ga no under go. Stupid idiot.
Go and call Dave for me.
This place who be David? Who be David? This place nobody they answer David for here. So it's better you lose road or go back to where you come from.
But where?
If I talk to you, they move.
Did you just hit me?
No!
Oh my God!
Look at move. Yeah, I told Devil. You know, yeah, the same with Devil.
Leave me alone! Dave! Dave! Leave me alone! Dave! Dave!
I don't say no getting to cook for us. I go pieces you now.
Kneel down. Hands up. Close your eyes. Call us boss.
Boss.
Say boss Pius.
Boss Pius.
Boss Nebuchadnezzar.
Boss Nebuchadnezzar.
Say we agree in your government.
Eh?
We agree in your government.
Fuck up.
We agree in your government.
Say may God bless us.
Fuck up.
May God bless us.
Let go put your landlord.
May God bless us.
No be us.
Weapon will be near us. Say may God bless us.
Us.
May God bless us.
Lie down.
Eh?
Lie down.
Lie down.
My God is
Come. First up. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Come on. Close your eyes.
Sorry, sir.
Wait, so if I allow you now, this small play, no more play. You will help you with our wand. What kind of anaconda? You want to bring anaconda out? Close it.
Yes, sir.
The next time you enter somebody's house,
Yes, sir.
whether your papa is governor or not, you will learn how to greet people.
Yes, sir.
Say, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma. Now, so small children are supposed to. By so doing, no be you lie down for ground so. And so you go enter place, they go rape you, just go thank God, say we dey fasting, and God dey inside us. Two of us will handle you this afternoon, check in inshallah. Good and that's okay. Remember, I need to go there, walk. Close your eyes. Turn your back.
Revise your status. Come.
Remove your hand. Oh my goodness. My nose. Oh. What did they do to you?
I no follow. Are you mad? I no follow, okay?
Are the two of you crazy?
Deal with
Is
them.
something wrong with two of you? Why would you treat my visitor like that?
I no follow.
Idiots! Bunch of fools!
Babe,
It's okay.
you need to sack them.
Yes, ma'am. Baby. I'm so sorry. Okay. Hope they didn't hurt you. They did. Sorry, my love. Don't worry, we'll go up, you'll take a shower. I will beat you. Let me...
Let me go and beat you. All right? Come on, my love. So sorry, baby. Sorry.
Hey! Hey!
Nketa mo na ewu.
This our Ghana Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh.
Bingo don born pikin.
Hey!
Wait oh. So, Oga Derek, they do small children kwa. You know say all this time they see all this big girl. You go carry this one come. You carry Nkechi come and drop her maka. You carry Winch come and drop her musu. I think say now I say fine. Oh okay no can you be. This is adult communication. I never know say Oga still they do small children underage. Yeah, teenage. Teenage.
This one they me soprananya Zarimo.
Hey,
I dey tell you.
if na poor person carry this kind of people come now, they go put them for social media. Say rape. Now look am. The pikin for the rich man don't do small thing wey be say this nke an abomination.
Hey!
Abominable.
I don't know say our Oga self dey import Benin winch come this place. See that little winch wey be like tenene tanana to go bilanga.
He say he go baff am.
He go baff am.
Oga na our babysitter.
Yeah, I dey tell you.
Obere omugo.
This guy na quick action o.
Waka omugo. Let's go and watch.
Go watch am.
Come. This girl go cry. Her reggaeton go be like.
What is the meaning of this?
It is our little way of saying save Johnny ma.
You are very stupid.
Yes, ma'am.
You are very foolish.
Yes, ma'am.
Idiot.
Yes, ma'am.
My friend, you can open the gate for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Go, get out from here.
No.
Idiot.
It's not worth it. You're crazy. It's not worth it. Don't waste your time. Don't forget. Make sure you call me. Pick up my call. I need that money.
Make I tell you, you think say Madam know that around Abi to tell you say make you cook for us for this house. That's the reason you cannot give us food in this house. Make I tell you, if Madam come, anytime I set my eyes on Madam, I go tell am say, now you, the instruct, what they call it in English? How do they speak up? You know, talk now.
You close your mouth.
I will tell Madam say you the instruct in order for this house. I will tell am.
Nobody instruct. Now this figure. See, I tell you, I know they fear Madam. I know they fear Madam. Lie. Now because me she no come out picketing for my salary. They make me do. Yes, ma. Are you stupid? Yes, ma. Idiot. Yes, ma. You dey mad? Yes, ma. Kado stupid? Yes, ma. Oh, me fear Madam.
Come. Did you really go Joe? Uncle Payot like come. Make yourself not to deceive you. You know the fear Madam. You know the fear Madam. Now when she go fire you like fire service for this house, now you gonna know what you do yourself. Hungry go wire you, That time you go know where you dey.
Me.
What did they worry you?
Me fear Madam. Don't open the gate, John.
Go and bring my food. Make no punish.
Mr. Firing Squad. You know, see your two left legs.
What do you want me to do? I've been inviting you, I've been asking you to come. You give me one excuse or the other. Then what do you want me to do? Yeah, well, everybody's fine. We're doing great. Yes. That one is a case study. Do you know he's worse than that time you saw they employed him? He's worse. You know, sometimes he can be funny, but that guy is a case. Oh yes, I think he should be somewhere around. Where's hold on. Hold on. Pius, hey, that's it. Pius! Come. Okay, let me give him the phone so that he can talk to him. Pius, someone wants to talk to you.
Hello, madam. How you doing? British Bakra Jaman, oh. Hey, yeah, since that day when you helped me beg Oga, say make you forgive me. That day you enter my mind. I can't give you a pass mark. Everything, if I did like this, I will see you. If I remember that your teeth will break like this, hey, that is that. In fact, you be real African woman. You're black beautiful, eh? You're black beautiful. Nobody don't black reach you for this world.
That's it.
You're very correct. Eh?
That's it.
Yes, now that's what I'm saying. You are very beautiful. If you come back now, God dey free you. Come.
I'll call you back. Yes. Baby. Hello? What's this? No, what's the meaning of this?
I'm the mono.
Huh? What gave you that right? Like, is it now your duty to invite a girl for me? Are you now to choose when I'll be free or not?
I'm going to free. When you're not dogging me.
Are you mad? And the person who told you was the same guy you're talking to? Huh?
So not be she.
Is something wrong with you? Have you forgotten that there's someone up in my room?
No.
Oh, you don't know? And you're talking rubbish, stop scattering your mouth.
Another person?
Yes!
Ebe, oh yeah. Just now. I just say a person come on here this morning. Another person don't come again. Hey! Mami okwa brankiti okubiri na onya machi. Oga beg no vessel. This is people where they come here like say they fetch water. What do they tell them? How they take configure the life? Because the thing, you get life for everybody. Take this person, go agree. Take this person. On your mula watch rotation. Wow, here go to school. Come here no bra.
Pious.
Okay.
Get out.
Sir?
I said you should get out of it. Just leave my sight. Get out of this place now.
Yes, sir.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Oh my God, you tell I asked I did.
I said get out. Get out.
What the dogs?
You are stupid. Very stupid. Dog food. Dog will eat you in this house. What's all this?
Why you gonna ask me that kind of question? I be wizard. I be amusu. Why be say anything what I do for this house? The punishment they will give me now to say I no go chop. If we any other measure, small thing, any pakaram thing what I do now, the only punishment they go give me, they go just leave other punishment, not even to say brother chida kelu, more whether is as a compound, more samoto. They go say food where they no say, not only that food I had they used to subscribe myself. And make great food, one and they get some afford them back. You don't say my papa and my mother don't die. Only that food now they take survive. I mean, we have one penas. One day mind go fep.
The good thing I don't understand about you, Pious. Wait, common small talk where you go follow and talk. Now you don't run your mouth like tell when you get up. Eh? Now food now be your subscription. How do they take talk?
If you touch me, if I take this vessel, they vest me now.
Who be that?
What is that?
They do fasting. Now who be that? I'll wait. What the kind of break?
Well done.
You're welcome. But you carry small pikin come for this compound.
We are not kids. Here is my sister.
Uh-huh.
We are Derek and Lizzie's cousins.
Eh? So what's
Derek and Lizzie's cousins.
I go see that. Want me say small organ I be una papa? What did they worry you?
Hey, cousin.
Wait. What type of insult is that? I didn't get it. Are you deaf or what? We are his cousin, their cousin.
Eh? Ha! Pious, oh! Pious! Cause you to happen here. I beg, come. This one start they give us salt. This one the same be Derek and what you call them again?
What in you and small children they talk? Now how una come Miss Road? Where una mama dey? Eh? How can women go born pikin uta? I have much hana akahucha. I go log where you want to your mom. They no go give them training. How person go leave this small pikin at this time we be say kidnapping and steal it everywhere? Where una mama go? Una take me.
Hey! Stop it there. Young man, see, let me tell you. If you will not respect yourself, I swear you will lose your job.
Who do? Yes, sir?
Who was it?
See, good. I'm sick and tired of standing here talking to these two fools. Let's get out.
Hey! What's going on out there? Drop them down! Huh? I said drop her down! Have you lost your mind? What's wrong with you guys?
Small children where they pass.
They're not small kids, that's my cousins! Oh my god, Gold! Perico, oh my god, please call me. I'm so sorry about that. They're actually new employees, they don't know what they're doing. I'm sorry.
As for you both, we'll see. In this house, we'll see.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Honestly, you are going to lose this job.
It's okay.
Lose your job.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Are you guys okay? They're actually new employees. They have no idea you guys were coming. I'm sorry.
They are fools.
It's okay.
Alright.
We're gonna train them to be better. Are you guys, have you eaten? How was your journey? This way. Oh.
Imagine this new method of human beings. So these people, their lineage, they have Chihuahua. See me first, welcome the dress up. She say, this family, even if not be Madam Pikin, I go marry from Abraham. So now, even this our Elizabeth. When I hear about this, call Lisa, Mama. Her name is Elizabeth. Forget say they come to Lizzie. You have to call it to polish Eliza Hoshin. You know? So if anybody marry her now, this kind of thing go go for that person.
But don't cheer, then I want to but don't cheer. Go down the low.
Forget it, the own go worse. Because as you don't they pour on your nana and they can every one flush toilet. That the way all those people the back sheet, call the back sheet. Waterproof, we need to go. Won't go what talent to Derek. What do they got?
And my plan that the way they come, at least the motor will come only once. The motor come 3 times. What is the motor park? Shit, where Derek.
Oh shit, going on. Derek, if you're not on our rule, you're not on our office. By the time you go reach where you go born, over there from 1 liter, I'm dry a little again. Hello, Pian.
Madam, send me down on the cup. See, down.
Crew, we beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip hip hip. Hooray!